Will the replacement of Felipe Gozon by Gilberto Duavit as CEO of GMA Network augur well for Tape Inc. and the Halosos family? Duavit's reign will begin in January 2024, while Tape's contract with GMA 7 will end in December 2024. Tape's noontime show has been struggling in the ratings and losing revenues since the trio of Tito, Vic and Joy left it and transferred to TV5. Meanwhile, Gozon lured another noontime show, It's Showtime, to its sister station. This was a balancing act by Gozon, if you ask me. It's Showtime, which is headlined by Vice Ganda and produced by ABS-CBN, has been a good spare in ratings and revenue. Duavit will have a hard decision to make next year. With AAT on TV5 dominating noontime programming, he will have to choose the show that can better compete with TVJ. Will it be that of Halosos or that of Vice Ganda? Tape is even now struggling to be relevant even without TVJ, and it may have to relinquish the name Bulaga to TVJ. Will Duavit's replacement of Gozon hasten the company's demise?